In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to switch from Tmobile to Verizon online. First step is to check eligibility. Ensure that you're eligible to transfer from Tmobile to Verizon. Visit Verizon's website and click on the Chat with Us option located in the bottom right corner. Alternatively, you can contact Verizon customer service directly at 888-844-7095. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, reach out to Verizon customer service to initiate the switching process. Provide them with your T-Mobile phone number and any other required information. After submitting your request, you'll need to wait for the transfer process to be completed. For landline numbers, the transfer may take 2 to 10 working days. For cellular numbers, the transfer typically takes 4 from 24 hours. Once the transfer process is complete, you will receive an SMS notification confirming that your switching request has been fulfilled. You are now ready to use Verizon service with your transferred number. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.